Welcome to Malika Badina's kitchen. Today we are going to see masala peanuts. The ingredients are very simple from the house. We can prepare. This is raw dry peanuts with the skin, 1 cup. In the same thing you have to measure Bengal gram flour 1/4 cup, 1 tablespoon rice flour, half a teaspoon red chili powder, little less than that salt, asafoetida 2 or 3 pinches, oil to deep fry. We have to mix all these ingredients together in a bowl. Mix all these ingredients together using your fingertips without any lumps. This point is very important. First we have to sprinkle little water to this. Mix with fingers. Sprinkle this flour on top. Mix this with fingertips and if necessary sprinkle very little water. All these flours together, it should coat on the peanut properly. At the same time it shouldn't stick together. I am going to add very little hot oil to this. Mix it and then deep fry. Just take a tablespoon of hot oil and just pour it on top of this. When hot oil is added, you have to mix this gently, just for that to separate.
Okay.
When we add this hot oil, the peanuts will not stick to each other, it will separate easily. Now we have to deep fry this in batches. Just we have to take this in our fingers and loosen it and we have to put it in the oil, hot oil. You have to use your fingers and then just separate it and then put it in the hot oil. Be careful, you have to add it only on the sides, not in the center, otherwise the oil will splatter. When we are adding in this oil, hot oil, you will see the oil will be with lots of froth like this, and we have to add just enough till the oil holds. When oil is hot enough, we have to sprinkle like this. The oil will be sizzling like this. Once it is cooked, the sizzling sound will be stopped completely. One more beginner's tip. We have to heat the oil in medium flame till it becomes hot. After that you reduce the temperature completely, reduce the flame completely and then fry it. In between, if you want, you can increase when you feel it is the temperature is very low. I want to share some beginner's tips here. If you are a beginner for deep frying, what you have to do is, don't overfill the oil. It should be less than half of this kadai. What we call it as kadai, it's a fry pan. As usual, we have to wait for a minute and then just mix it well. Because when you mix it in the beginning itself, it may not, it will stick to each other. So we have to allow some time for that to get fried. We have to wait for a few minutes for this to get little brown. That peanut should be fried properly inside also. Whenever we are deep frying, we have to be very careful in certain things. First, we have to keep it in a medium flame and then reduce the flame completely and cook in that reduced flame itself for quite some time till it turns very crisp. Don't increase in a high flame. If it gets cooked short period, it won't be nice. When this is fried properly, the spluttering sound will completely reduce and the oil will become little clear. Just we can see that. And when you lift this, see this fried properly. The color should be correct. This is a colander. I have kept a kitchen towel on top of this paper towel. Just after frying, just take it out and shift. Why we are using this kitchen paper towel, of course everybody know. When we deep fry and just keep this on top, the excess oil will be absorbed by this. After frying, when you notice, just in very few will be sticking together, one or two like this. We can just split it like this. It's so easy to split it. Allow this to come to room temperature and then store it in an airtight container. This is a new channel which is going to be for youngsters, especially with beginners tips. Lots of people ask for an English channel for the youngsters. That's why we are starting this new channel. I will be sharing lots of tips so that your cooking will be very easy and it will be very much 100% successful. I will be sharing lots of recipes of traditional South Indian dishes, North Indian dishes and lots of fusion dishes also.